So we actually talked to doctoral students who I would say are very much early career taxonomists. And what they want is two things, actually. So first, they would like to enhance their own research and their own research skills. Second, they would like to find an attractive job after they are graduating. So we looked into different career opportunities for taxonomists and also the skill set that is required for increasing their employability in their early career stages. So we broadened our scope from traditional employers such as academia and collections to other fields like conservation and education, which taxonomists are already employed. But then also we looked into politics, sustainability management, and more innovative fields where taxonomic knowledge can actually also be employed. In so-called stakeholder labs, we talked actually to potential employers from different sectors, like from the private sector. And we talked, for example, to brick companies or consultancy firms, which also have a vested interest in biodiversity and taxonomy. So what we can do, summarizing all of this for early career taxonomists, is for one, creating more job opportunities for them by making taxonomy more integrated into different fields of research, and continuing to explore the new and innovative opportunities by connecting with different stakeholders around biodiversity-related topics. The second thing is that we can prepare these young early career taxonomists for a job market by providing them with the skills and mindset that they need to actually get a hold in these different fields.